Hi everyone, family friends, welcome to TEMI TV. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I make my Nigerian Party Egusi soup. So stay tuned guys. Here are my ingredients. Here are meat, homemade catfish. I will leave the link in the description box below. Here are pomoto. Here are chili pepper, ginger, garlic, black pepper, seasoning cubes, salt, and this is homemade dried crayfish. Here is dried mushroom, spring onion, onion, to my blender and rinse it again. Now I add onions, water and blend. Now guys, I'm going to check the meat. While it's done, I'm going to remove the water and use the pot again, and now I'm going to add palm oil to my pot. Add the onions, ginger, garlic, blend together and fry. Add the blended chili pepper. Add the crayfish, the salt, locust beans, and now I'm going to shred my fish, remove the bone. Now I'm going to add the egusi, the melon to fry. I'm going to add the dry mushroom now. And I'm going to add the fish. Now I'm going to add the seasoning cube. I'm going to add the meat now. Mix it together. Guys, it's almost there. Almost. Tick tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. It's time to add the stock I kept aside before. Now we're adding the vegetable, guys, and the work is almost there. We're almost there, guys. I can't wait. Now, guys, the soup is ready, and I'll be making puree. Wow, guys, our Nigerian Party Egusi is ready. I'll be tasting with this, my favorite swallow. Wow. So delicious. So guys, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in my next one.